I hate this issue today, then here is the quick fix that solved it. If you find yourself logged out of your TikTok account due to hacking, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your device. If you can't log in, click on the login button at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login screen, tap on Forgot Password. This will initiate the recovery process. Step 3. Choose recovery method. You'll be prompted to choose how you want to receive your password reset link, either via email or phone number. Select the method you have access to. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. Look for a message from TikTok in your email or SMS. Follow the link provided to reset your password. Make sure to check your spam folder if you don't see it. Step 5. Set a strong new password. Create a new password that is strong and unique. Avoid using easily guessed passwords like 123,456 or password. If you encounter issues, double check that you're using the correct email or phone number linked to your account. It can be frustrating, but staying persistent is key. I hope this helps you get back into your TikTok account.